Electrons are lazy, and they prefer to be at their lowest energy level possible. We call that the ground state level. But if you apply a little energy to an electron, it jumps up to the excited state, but you can't see that happen. But as they lose that energy and they fall back down to the ground state, they give off that extra energy in a flash of light. And because the distance is different between each element's ground state and excited state, as those electrons fall down, they give off different colors of light for each element. And I have a selection of 6 elements here that we can burn and see their colors. The first thing we're going to do is very common. This is sodium. And this is the color that you see in parking lot lights. The next one is kind of similar. This is the element calcium. Now the bright yellow that you see there, that's the actual stick burning, not the element. The next one's a little harder to see. This is potassium. Can you tell that it's burning kind of a violet color? Once again, the bright color is the stick itself. The next element is strontium. The next element we'll do is copper. And the last one is my favorite, it's lithium. So if you hold them just right, you can actually do all the colors at once. We'll do it with and without sodium because sometimes sodium overpowers the rest. Here we go. If I take sodium out, you can see the others.